Next on my list is Amika, their Curl Corpse Enhancing Gel. Granted, I did press my hair out, but it looked a hot mess. Fur coat that I want. I don't want the fur coat that looks like a chimpanzee. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel.
Let me read you a story.
This video I'm hoping to get out before Christmas because you guys read that title. I'm going to be sharing with you all what is on my natural hair Christmas list. Now the title is kind of clickbaity because of course I'm gonna throw in their skincare and I'm also gonna throw in their makeup and fashion. This year I'm a simple girly. I feel like the way that society has been going right now and the inflation and everything, I don't even know if I'm going to receive any of these things on the list, and I'm just being for real. But baby, over here we are not going to be stunting for Instagram. We are not going to be stunting for YouTube. We ain't got it, okay? We ain't got it. So I'll be glad if I do get any of these things on my list, okay? Let's be for real. All right, so first up is the natural hair category. I've wrote down everything and I will try to leave a picture off on the side so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I am interested in, I think you pronounce it Ouai hair. Ooh, I feel like I should have, hold on. Okay, so I looked up the pronunciation and it says it's pronounced Ouai. So, ooh, I was so wrong. I don't know. Ooh, I'm embarrassed. I want their shampoo, their deep conditioner, and they also have a frizz control cream. They have like a whole hair care line. I've seen people use like the body care, like their body wash and stuff like that. I haven't really seen anybody use their shampoos, conditioners, and stuff like that. When it comes to the conditioner though, I don't know about the conditioner. You know, it's very rare conditioners work for my hair, so I'm going to tread lightly on that part, but they do have a deep conditioner that I am willing to try. Also, that's next on my list is Amika. I want to try their Curl Corpse Enhancing Gel. I'm not 100% sure about how this gel actually works for the coily girls. There's not much reviews on YouTube about it, so that's why I'm just like, I'm iffy, but it looks good to be honest, and I want to try Amika products. Also, I want to try Amika Superfood Deep Conditioner or Hair Mask. I also want to try their heat protectant and anti-humidity spray and their blowout spray. So I've been seeing a lot of people talk about their heat protectant and how it does really good when they're pressing out the hair. Granted, I did press my hair out, but it looked a hot mess, so I never posted it. But I was so curious, it got the best of me. I went and bought flat iron and everything from Walmart, y'all, and I only pressed out my hair because I was doing braids. I was doing some cornrows. I don't even believe I took any pictures with the cornrows. If I did, I'll leave it on the screen for y'all to see. But I am interested in pressing out my hair again because I did a whole trim on my hair, like a real good one, y'all. Like, I surprised myself how well I trimmed my hair. I am looking forward to pressing out my hair. I'll probably do like some curls or something like that. Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Defining Custard. I feel like I can't talk. This is an old custard. I think they came out with this, I want to say, when did they come out with this? It was some years ago, okay? And so I never got around to getting it because I don't really be seeing them on the shelves. I always see like their most popular collection on the shelves. And then the Giovanni Stronghold Gel for my wash and goes, of course. I definitely want to try Giovanni out. I've heard great things about the gel. Now moving into skincare. I told y'all this list was going to be so short. So the first on the list is Ouai. I was about to say Ouai. But Ouai Body Care. I do want to try their body cream. I heard wonderful things about their body cream. So next on my skincare list is Pantothenic 85 Active Soothing Cream. This cream is supposed to minimize your pores and it's not so heavy as well. And I need a really good non-heavy cream that I can wear during the day and at night. And then my last category, which is makeup and fashion. So what's been on my list forever, I just never bought it, is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I feel like the reason why this is so wanted by me is because I've heard that it mimics the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And then next is Summer Fridays Lip Balm. I do want that. I typically stay with the lip oils, and there's a really good one that Ulta Beauty is a really good one that Ulta Beauty has, and it's by Ulta Beauty, I think, and they're only like $7-8. But I do want to try the Summer Fridays. I've heard great things about this brand all over the internet, and so I do want to try it out. I just heard it's pretty pricey. Next up, and this is more on the fashion side, I want a crochet hat. I've been seeing the crochet hats all over the internet, and so I really want a crochet hat. I think the crochet hats will be such a vibe for me. Like, oh my gosh, I think the crochet hats are so cute, and I'm so glad that they are coming back in style, because crochet for a while was dead, and now I just see like it's being woken back up. So I also want a makeup organizer, like a makeup storage organizer, but it's the specific one that I want. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I want it so bad. This has been on my list for a long time. Also, when it comes to perfume, it's called Nest New York perfume oils. So I do want to start getting into perfume oils. I'm not really like a high perfume girl, and the only reason why is because it's so expensive. So if I had the coin, I would have a collection. I believe I would have a collection. I really like the vanilla notes, and so I do want to try to get one of their perfume oils. And then lastly, and this is going to be just like in the fashion, is a black fur coat. So the coat that I post on here was just a random coat that I had seen. I think it's on Shein, but I don't want to buy it from Shein. I want to buy it from like H&M or something. I'm not for sure if they actually sell the type of fur coat that I want. I don't want the fur coat that looks like a chimpanzee. Like I do not want a fur coat, because I know I'm not gonna be, it's gonna be a faux, right? So it can look very chimpanzee very quickly. I really want it to look like it costs some money. So I want the ones that look like puffy, like the fur is shaved, not the real like loose furry ones. I don't want that. I just really want to have a wardrobe capsule. I really have been into wardrobe capsules for some time now, but I guess in my mind I feel like I could get the same quality from Shein. Don't judge. If you judging, don't judge. I really want to be intentional when I'm buying my clothes, and I also want to stay within like a color palette. I found out my color analysis, like what look good, what colors look good on my skin, and so now I want to be very intentional. That wraps up this video. Please give me a thumbs up, share, and comment down below what is on your Christmas list. You could feel free to give me your skincare Christmas list and your fashion and makeup Christmas list, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.